Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from Hearty Pleasures. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. I have a few items here that I need to unbox. And yes, today we're vlogging in my room as my space downstairs where I normally do my vlog is currently unavailable. There are so many things downstairs, so I had to do it here in my room today. You will see this part of my room, just to that part. I'm not gonna give you a tour of my room because it's not as tidy as I want it to be at the moment. So come on and let's go unbox some of the parcels that I got. So first of all, I'm gonna open this gray bag here. I actually took it out from the main bag. I already wiped this as well with an antibacterial wipes, and this one too, this box here. We really have to be careful, so let's open it. Be careful with anything sharp. Here it is. Check it out. It's inside the bubble wrap, so let's see, let's take it out. It's like a pouch. Let's see what's inside. So there's a pair of pearl earrings inside that pouch, and there are 2 certificate of authenticity cards. So guys, whenever I go to a website that sells used stuff, I always find something really good, and I always find a very good deal. But I don't know, I'm so lucky whenever I do that. And sometimes it's not sometimes. So whenever I go online and look for things in a secondhand website, you know, where you can buy things that people doesn't like anymore and they just want to sell it, those kind of stuff, I always go on that site and I always find something that is really good. Most of them are slightly used and some of them are still brand new. It's those are the things that people don't like anymore, or some of them are presents, they're gifted to them but they don't like it, so they just sell it. So yeah, I think I'm really good at that. I'm really good at finding good deals. I'm really good at buying slightly used items. So let me show you what's in the bag that we opened. Let me take them out. Pearls. Pearl necklaces, and these are what's inside the bag. A pair of pearl earrings. Well, this color is a bit grayish. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit grayish and it's really nice. I don't know what kind of pearls are they. Yeah. And so there are 3 necklaces here, pearl necklaces, different sizes, as you can see. So let's see the cards that's inside the pouch. So the first one is this one. This is a black Akoya pearl. These are cultured pearls, cultured Akoya pearls, if you can see. There you go. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the color. It's not really black, but it's dark, more of like bluish grayish in color. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, that's, for me, in my eyes, that's what the color looks like. Yeah, so it says here that it's a 5 to 6 millimeter Peacock Japanese Akoya cultured pearl 9-carat gold necklace. So the 9-carat, guys, is this one, a clasp. Yeah, it's a 9-carat one. Oh no, it's 10K. It's not 9-carat, it's 10K. It's a stamp in there. I don't know if you can see. I might just insert a clip or a picture of this, guys, so you can see. So it's a 10-carat gold clasp, black. No, it's not black. Why do I keep saying black? It's Peacock Japanese Akoya pearl, cultured pearls. There you go. I'm not gonna try it on now, but it's so cute. I love it, and it looks new. I don't think it has been used, guys, because I can see there are slight scratches, but not on some of the pearls, but not on all the pearls. So I think this has been used once or maybe twice at the most. Yeah, so this is the first necklace, and the other one is peach freshwater cultured pearl necklace. That's what it says here. There you go. I'll show it to you. Peach freshwater. It's this one, big one. This one I can easily try. Put it on there. Yeah, so there you go. It has a soft peach color. It's very soft, like a pastel color. Well, peach is a pastel color anyway, so yeah, it's really nice. And you know what, guys, I think these necklaces are slightly used, because you can still see that there are very minimal scratches on the pearls. So yeah, it's really good. Like, this is the longest one, but this one didn't come with a certificate, or maybe the previous owner lost it or misplaced it somewhere, so it didn't come with the certificate, unlike the other 2 pearl necklaces that it came with. Yeah. Oh, they're lovely. I love pearls as well, you know. As a jewelry collector, or as a gem and jewelry collector, you have to have pearl in your collection because it's so classy, it's effortless. I mean, it can go with anything. It's so timeless. It's like, you know, when you wear plain white v-neck t-shirt and you wear a pearl necklace, even just one strand of pearl necklace, it will look so classy. So yeah, I love pearls. Okay, next one, next box, last box. This one, oh my gosh, this is from one of my favorite online jewelry shops. This box, I'm so excited. Let's open the box. Let me take it out. Paper. And this is the receipt. It always comes with a receipt. So I have 4 items in this box, guys, but I'm not gonna show you all of it because, or I'm not gonna show you one item because that is a surprise gift for my friend and she might be watching this, so I'm not gonna show it to you. I don't want to spoil it. So let's see. First one, that's what's in the box, guys. So I ordered 2 pairs of earrings. One of the earrings that I bought is from this collection, GP collection, or this Paris collection. You know, he is an Italian jewelry artisan. So let's open it. Yeah. Wow, it's such a beautiful box. Such a big box for this pair of earrings. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna break the hygiene label. So that means I won't be able to return this anymore because it's been opened and the seal has broken. Whoa. Oh wow, what a lovely pair of earrings. So here it is, guys. This pair of earrings here, if you can see clearly. I hope you can see it clearly. So it's a flower and a butterfly there in the middle. There. This is amethyst, by the way. And I think on the top one it's a black spinel. Oh wow. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Love it. Let's open the other one, the other earrings. And it came in this black pouch. Oh my word. Honestly, it's so pretty. I love dangled earrings. Now, it's as usual, it's sealed. Again, I can't return this if ever I don't want the earrings. Unless it's broken, then you can get a refund for this. But look at this. Let me take them both out the bag so I can show you guys. Here you go. Oh my word. Oh wow. I'll show you. Wow. This is a pair of ruby earrings. It's so pretty with white circle. The ruby. Oh, it looks so expensive. Oh my gosh. You know what I love about this online jewelry channel is that they sell genuine gemstones. I mean, as in real gemstones. And the best thing about them is that they are so affordable, you know, guys. Like you can get a pair of ruby earrings or a piece of gemstone jewelry in an affordable prices. So it's so good. And we're gonna open the last one that's inside the box. No more. Oh, this is a bit heavy. I know what this is. I'm gonna show it to you. Ta-da. Nice box. Ooh. So this one is a crystal. It's heart shaped. Let me take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. It's a red heart, the color of ruby. Oh my goodness. Can I put this on a ring? Can I make it this a... Blimey. I think my finger will fall off or my whole hand will get injured because it's so big and it's heavy. It's quite heavy. I don't know what's the weight, but you can feel it. It's quite heavy, but it's so gorgeous. And the red hue of this heart is just amazing. Wow. Now let me put it back in the box. There you go. So there you go, guys. Thank you for unboxing with me, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified for more upcoming videos. Bye!